Lab activity number 1, writing a program using the comparator instruction. I've got my programming window open, and the first thing I'm going to do is input my program. I'm going to start that with a normally open contact, followed by I go here to my comparator, and I'm going to use the first one, the equal to. Then I will follow that with an output coil. Now I'm going to address my input normally open contact to 0.0. I'm going to address my output coil as Q 0.0. Input 1 I'm going to address as memory word 0. And input 2 I will address as memory word 2. Okay, here's my simple program. I'm going to download the program to the PLC. Once I do that, I'm going to come up here to View, Details, and down here in my bottom window, if I click on the Address tab, here's my addressing. I've got my output, my input, and the 2 memory words for the 2 inputs. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to activate or turn the monitor function on. Now if you'll notice, memory word 0 has a 6 in it, memory word 2 has a 5 in it. If I activate input 0.0, you can notice down here, input 0.0 goes true, but my output remains false, because this function is comparing input 1 and input 2, and since they're different, the output remains off. Now if I will turn the monitor function off and come down here to modify, and click, I'm going to click here in the modify value, and I'm going to change that to 5 so that this and this equals each other. I will then right click on modify value and activate modify value. Notice that it changed it, so now both inputs would be 5, so when I turn the monitor function on, notice that both inputs are 5. Now when I activate input 0.0, notice that my output now goes high.